How to edit a PDF online. Follow these simple steps to edit a PDF file using an online tool. Open a web browser launch, any internet browser on your computer or laptop. Search for PDF Editor, type PDF Editor in the search bar and press Enter. Choose Sejda PDF Editor. From the available options, select Sejda PDF Editor or directly search for it. Upload your PDF file. Click on Upload PDF File and select the file you wish to edit. Wait for the upload to complete. Editing options available. Once the PDF is uploaded, you can perform the following actions. Add text. Insert or modify existing text in the document. Add links. Embed hyperlinks or email addresses. Whiteout. Remove unwanted content by covering it. Add shapes. Draw rectangles, circles, or arrows. Highlight. Emphasize important text. Insert images. Add images to your PDF. Sign. Create a digital signature or upload an existing one. Finalizing the edit. Click on Apply Changes to save your edits. Wait for the changes to process. Download the edited PDF by selecting the Download option. The file will be saved in your device's Downloads folder. This easy process allows you to make various changes to your PDF without the need for expensive software.